In this video, we'll go from this to this to this to this using this. Alright, so thanks to NJPAS, he, or she, they brought up the idea about the TDS reading, and I did not even know there was such a thing. So got on the interweb and looked it up and found this right here to actually test TDS with. So I thought, why not create a video and test the TDS of the water. And what I'm going to do here is, this one will be from the creek back there, tap filter, and the refrigerator. So anyway, so I'm going to go down to the creek first, get that creek water, and then I'll do the faucet. Hot side is not filtered, so I can just simply pour that in there from the hot side. Cold side is filtered, so I'll pour that in there, and then I'll go to the refrigerator and try that just for the heck of it. So alright, let's go get some water. So I'm going to do the faucet filtered first. I'm going to put it on cold, just let it run for a little bit. Just make sure we get to it. Faucet filtered. Then I'll switch it over here to hot. And of course, once it gets hot, that should tell me that everything's good to come out of there. And there we go with hot.
Hey.
Girls are back.
Hey.
Hi. And then I'll go get some out of the refrigerator. Now this filter's kind of old, so it'll be interesting to see how well it's held up. It's probably pretty close to needing to be changed. They're not. So anyway, so I'm going to go down to the creek to get that creek water. Alright, there's creek water. Okay, so it's faucets filtered, faucet unfiltered, refrigerator filtered. I'm going to go ahead and put that over there. Check the creek water here. .31. Do another quick test. .30 parts per million. As I understand, up to 200 parts per million is acceptable. I'll try it there. Wow, interesting. That's my city water. My creek water is better than the city water. It's 55. Interesting. The plot thickens. All right. Try the faucet. Oh, I didn't clear it. Hit the clear button. .34. Alright, cleared it. Now we'll try it from the refrigerator. Interesting. So my refrigerator filters it the best. Earth does a pretty good job of. That's kind of scary that my Keep forgetting to clear it. The faucet's at 55. It's 34. I hope you don't get. So refrigerator's best. Then the creek. Then that, then that. Alright, let's see if that holds up. Clear. Faucet's terrible. 54. $34. $30. Okay, for EC, that is electrical connectivity. And you want a lower number there as well. Alright, so I'm going to put it on. There we go. This is electrical connectivity. Faucet water is very high. Faucet filter is good, 70. Creek is good. Oh, I didn't clear it. Do over. And refrigerator is low. And there you go. I've now tested the TDS and EC of the under sink water filter, creek, my house, and the refrigerator water filter. This little meter is kind of a neat thing to have. I will probably use it again in the future. I'm be curious to see how the house water, the water coming into the house, looks at random intervals, because obviously it doesn't look so great right now. Anyway, thank you for watching. Oh, and yes, the under sink water filter is working fine. I'll have a link to that video pop up on the screen here in just a second. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.